I'm happy to announce that we finally shipped the first version of our product variation feature. I'm so happy because I know that variation creation for Amazon product listing and ads and etc. is a pain in the ass. So here now in Scalable, you can create this in a couple minutes. At first, you have to create your master listing that you are satisfied with. Let me show you what I've done here. First, main image, the second image, the third one, here, there, etc. So that's it. Then in the next step, here you see there is a replace product button. What you have to do here, you just have to upload the other variation of your product. There it is. I uploaded the lemon and optionally just give it some additional adjustments. For example, what we want to have is, this is the lemon variation. Please change the strawberries and lemons through the lemon and lime, and also change the background box in the background. Then you just have to click this button and wait a couple seconds. So the image is generated and there you go. This is everything you have to do. Just real quick, I want to show you a feature that you also can position the product manually if you want to change this position, so you can adjust the size and, for example, position it wherever you like. For example, on a lifestyle image, it's quite handy. And then just click the button and go ahead. Now let me show you what I did here. So here, going from the strawberry to the watermelon and to the lemon and lime accordingly. You can adjust your prompt that you also want to change the colors. And the more accurate you prompt, if you like to have specific colors for your variation, just go ahead and add them as with the hex code of the color. And here I just approach this super simple and straightforward. The main thing what I want to show you is that the adjustments of the product and even, the fruits is quite going well. So here, the next one, we go from here to there, so on and so on. So that's basically it. You just have to mail your first master listing, and then you collect all your variation reference images, like here in the specific example, the different cans with the specific tastes. And then you click the button replace product, upload these images, and optionally but recommended adding some custom instruction and prompt here in this field. That's all you need.